In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Good day, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying a very good health. I hope you all are spending good time with your family. I'm Laza Salim, your English teacher from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are ready to learn new topic. First of all, I want to grab all of your attention to Oxford Discover Book 4. It's unit number 4 and the topic is stumbling upon the past. Today, we will learn two topics of unit number 4. These topics are verbs, number 1, verbs followed by gerund, number 2, count and non-count nouns. I hope these topics are new for you, but we will go through with all the difficulties and learn many things. Dear students, open your student book page number 41, verbs followed by gerund. Gerunds are verbs that ends in ing. Gerunds can act like nouns. Verbs like enjoy, finish and practice are often followed by gerunds. For example, Javier enjoyed playing with his friends. In this sentence, the word playing is a gerund. Here are some words. These are verbs and we add ing with these words. So, missing, disliking, appreciating, resisting, recalling, risking, involving, keeping, postponing, imagining, helping, practicing, forgiving, reporting, denying, considering, minding, delaying, completing, mentioning, discussing, admitting, suggesting, tolerating, recommending, understanding, avoiding. These all verbs and we use ing with these words and then they make gerund. Some examples are: he admitted cheating on the test. I appreciated her helping me. He avoided talking to her. He delayed doing his taxes. He denied committing the crime. I don't mind helping you. In these sentences, the word cheating, helping, talking, doing, committing, helping, these are gerunds. Now, page number 43. Count and non-count nouns. Count nouns. Count nouns can be singular or plural. A singular count noun takes a singular verb and a plural count noun take a plural verb. So here is an example. The dinosaur bone is very large. Bone is a singular noun. Many dinosaur bones are still buried under the ground. Here bones are plural noun. Non-count nouns. Non-count nouns always take a singular verb. For example, a lot of volcanic ash was above the bone. Number 2, a little water is in the ravine. In these sentences, the word ash and water are non-count nouns. Here are some examples of count versus non-count. Bun, sandwich, apple, orange, burger, fries, eggs, cookies, vegetables, potatoes, tomatoes, these are count nouns. Cereal, rice, jam, milk, coffee, sugar, flour, salt, these are non-count noun. Here is a homework for you. I am assigning you a home task and you have to do it. What you have to do? You have to do page number 41 and 43 from student book and page number 33, 34 and 36 from workbook. Stay home, stay safe. Remember me in your prayers as well. We will meet next week inshallah with a lot of new information. May God bless you today and always. Allah Hafiz.